Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to Design Engineer Studio, and in today's video we want to learn how to create these simple 3D text effects on Pixellab. Okay, so it's a 2-layer text effect and we want to learn how to get everything. So without much ado, let's jump right into the video. We're coming to my blank sheet here, so I will select this size. So I'm using YouTube channel banner. I'll click on OK. So I'll come to my color and to my gradients. So this is the color I used. Okay, so to know the color code for this one above, the lighter one is, let me check it here, is 37ABE8. Make sure all are in capital letter, and the darker one which is below is 125A8C. okay, so then I do this manner arrangements. The options are over here, so I'll click on OK and OK. So the next thing is to type my text. So welcome, no need of spacing, so I'll click on done. Okay, and then I'll scale my text to 92. I'll click on OK. So I'll come to my font option here, and the font I selected is Olivia Sans. So I'm using this. Okay, let's use this Olivia Sans black italic. So I'm using this. I'll click on OK. Okay, I'm sorry, the font size is 92. So then I'll come to my text color here and click on this plus button. So I will type the color over here. So the text color is 008 capital C6. Okay, so I'll click on next. Okay, so now I have it. So I'll click on OK. So I'll click on OK. So then I'll come to my curve adjustment here. So the bending is now 5, so I'll click on OK, though the color is not really noticeable here. So I'll come to my stroke and enable the stroke to 24. Okay, so 24. So I'll be using the same color, so I'll click on OK as well. So the next thing is to come to my shadow. I'll come to my shadow and enable the shadow. Make sure you pay attention to these details. So the color code for my shadow, I also type it here, which is 0E2D 3D. Okay, so I have this. Now click on OK and OK. But I need to work on the shadow, so I'll be working on the opacity, not to make it really strong. I'll be working on something like 49, and my blur radius to 6. I'll be changing my blur radius to 6. So then I'll offset my Y to -6 to +6. I'm sorry, just okay, this is closed, so I'll click on OK. So then I will come to my 3D text over here and enable it. So I'll come to my oblique. For me to have options, different option here, you will see this perspective. You only have this option, you don't have option to rotate the angle. So I'll be coming to my oblique instead. So now work on the depth. Okay, the depth of 1 is or 2 is okay. Okay, so then I work on the darkening. I'll darken the color to something of 20. So and work on my oblique angle 41. So at times this simulate lighting do affect design, so I will advise you guys to disable this. I'm sorry, to 41. Okay, so I'll disable this simulate lighting. So we have the text like this. Now click on OK. So the next thing is to center align this. So I'll make a copy of this and remove everything. I mean everything. So I'll disable this. Come to my shadow. I'll disable it. Come to my stroke, disable it. So we have the text in its original form. So I'll come to my color here and I'll type my new color. Okay, so the color is E576 F6 FF. E576FF. So I'll be clicking on OK and OK. So I'll click on OK. So now I come to my shadow. Come to my shadow and enable the shadow and work on my opacity of something around 80. So I'll come to my blur radius. Don't want the color to be too sharp. I'll be coming to 1 and I can reduce the opacity. Okay, I'll click on OK. So then I'll come to my offset of 3 is okay. So I have offset of 3. So now I click on OK. So the next thing I do is come to my inner shadow to have this kind of in-depth effect. So I'll come to my inner shadow and click on OK. So the color I use for the inner shadow is, I click on the plus button, so I'll type my color code A7 E1FF. A7, I'm sorry, A7 E1FF. So I'll click on OK. So but I need to work on the offset because it's not really visible here. So I'll come to my blur radius, 3 is okay, and my offset to 3 as well. I'll come to my Y offset to 8 to 8. So now I have it. Just make sure you pay attention to the color code. That's how this is done. And if you are new, remember to click on the subscribe button. And if you are previous subscribers, keep watching and congratulations. So meet you guys next week Friday. Keep creating.